Gyan Plus YouTube channel. Today I have brought another problem related with bond valuation. So let's see the problem here. So this is a problem related with bond valuation. So let's see here. Suppose Jyoti Textile Industries bond has a 10% coupon rate and rupees 1000 face value. Interest is paid semi-annually and the bond has 20 years to maturity. Assume that investor required rate of return is 12% and you are asked to find what is the semi-annual coupon payment, what is the bond's value. So this is a bond with coupon interest and finite maturity. So here let's solve it. So here now solution. So for solution let's write first given here coupon interest rate small I 10% face value of bond, that is your M, that is rupees 1000. It is also called as par value, face value, maturity value. So interest is paid semi-annually. Interest is paid semi-annually. So this is very important. You have to know that whether the interest is paid semi-annually or annually or quarterly. So your interest is paid semi-annually. And bond has maturity period of 20 years. Maturity period of bond is Gyan, that is 20 years. And required rate of return, assume that required rate of return is 12%. Required rate of return, that is your cost of debt, KD, or you can say KD is the required rate of return. So that is your 12%. Now here you have to find semi-annual coupon payment, semi-annual coupon payment, that is your I, and also value of bond, price of bond, value of bond, B0 also you can write here, B0 to what? So now let's solve it. Here calculation of semi-annual coupon payment. This is the amount. So here semi-annual coupon payment. So this is the semi-annual interest coupon payment. I equal to interest rate, this will be divided by 2 into face value. So your interest rate is 10%, which is divided by 2 into 1000. That is your 5% into 1000. That is your rupees 50. Rupees 50 is the semi-annual coupon interest payment. Now second you have to find what is the bond's value. So here calculation of value of bond, or also you can say semi-annual coupon bond, B0. So of bond here, value of bond B0 equal to semi-annual coupon interest payment I into present value interest factor NOT. Your required rate of return is 12%, so it should be divided. So required rate of return is 12%. So 12% here you can just write the formula first. It should be divided by 2, and the time factor maturity period should multiply by 2 plus maturity value, that is face value M, which is multiplied with present value interest factor required rate of return divided by 2 and N into 2. Okay, so in this way you use the formula here. The required rate of return, it should be divided by 2, and your period, bond maturity period, it should be multiplied by 2. Here also required rate of return divided by 2, and bond maturity period, it should be multiplied by 2, because this is a semi-annual coupon bond. So you have to find value of bond when the interests are paid semi-annually. So your interest is your 50 present value interest factor NOT. So here KD is 12, so it is your 6% here, and here your number of year is 20, which is multiplied by 2, then you will get 40 here. Maturity value or face value 1000, and present value interest factor, that is your again 6%, 40 years. So you have to look at the PVIFA table and PVIF table. So here let's see the table. Let's first see the PVIFA table. PVIFA table 6% 40 year. So here now 50 into PVIFA 6% 40 year, 15.0463. This is your factor for PVIFA. 15.40 year, 15.0463, and again here 1000 into PVI factor 6%, 40 year, 0.0972. Now multiplying and adding, you will get the value of bond $849.51. This is the value of bond when interests are paid semi-annually. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this problem. Okay, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe.